Waiting to the last minute to get flood insurance is probably not the best idea.
If you came into me today and said, hey, I want to get flood insurance for my house, if you're closing escrow, it can start immediately the day escrow closes. Otherwise, there's a 30-day waiting period.
Insurance agent Mark Applegate says factors like the size of your home, how much coverage you need, and your flood zone all have an impact on your rate.
I punch in name and address. From the address, it does a search and it determines what the flood zone is.
Depending on where you live, you can be in low, moderate, or high-risk zones.
Overall, we're pretty good in Torrance. There's not very big flood zones or areas, but other areas, more outlying areas, you can have that issue, especially if you're near like some type of water runoff, canal or something like that.
The standard homeowner's policy covers you up to a year and includes water damage, but not every incident is insured.
Some people may think they have, okay, I have water damage, so I'm covered for all types of water, which is not necessarily true. So flood, like I said, is excluded.
With an added flood insurance policy, you are covered for more than just a wave of water.
So if it's a wave of water and mud, dirt that have come on into your house, then that also would be considered flood damage.
Flood insurance covers your house and personal property up to $250,000. But it is just as important to know what you are not insured for.
If you had to live someplace else while your house is being repaired because of the flood damage, you're on your own.
And the phones won't stop ringing here at Mark Applegate's insurance agency as more residents prepare for El Niño.
Yes, basically a lot of customers are calling about flood insurance, and so they can get a quote. And I also advise them, if they are homeowners, to get a review on their policies to make sure they're up to date on all their coverages.
The best thing to do is just make sure you're informed. I mean, if you can't remember the last time you actually sat down with your insurance agent, then it's probably been too long.
For Torrance City Cable, I'm Jessie Pierre.